I'm Doug Allen, Chairman of the Board of Vertical Turbine Specialists, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the history of our company. VTS, as we call it, was founded in 1955 as a blacksmith shop to serve the local agricultural community of Littlefield, Texas. VTS flourished as a blacksmith shop in those days and has grown now into an industrial fabricator for the pump OEM market. Through the history of our company, we have served everything from the agricultural market to the industrial market and the municipal market. VTS shifted from its local irrigation service of pulling and setting pumps in 1976 with a more focus into industrial fabrication. As the Texas offshore drilling industry was flourishing, VTS became a manufacturer of component parts for the offshore drilling industry, primarily servicing with raw water source to the semi-submersible platforms. With the downplay of the oil industry, VTS began to have to branch out. We looked to the OEM pump market as a place for our skills and talents to be used. We began to market the machining and welding of VTS to all the pump OEMs. Today, VTS remains one of the major fabricators for the pump market. In addition to that, we also do machining of small component parts, as we have added CNC machining centers throughout our shop. In our tour, you'll see the emphasis, though, of VTS is as an industrial fabricator. In 2005, with the growth of the company, VTS relocated from Littlefield, Texas to Lubbock, Texas, bringing with it 62 of its 65 employees to keep and maintain the quality and skill level that we had developed over the years in Littlefield. Today, VTS employs 105 families in its operations. You'll see through our plant tour that we've expanded greatly, adding different product lines in the process of coating our own fabricated products. We'll also give you a plant tour that will show our interest in the lives and welfare of the VTS employees, looking into how we can benefit not only their time here on the job, but their time at home. I hope you enjoy the tour of our plant, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.
Every fabricated product that we make all starts in our material prep area. It all comes in as raw plate and raw pipe. Our max capacity on our pipe cutter is a 42-inch diameter by 40-foot length. With the ability of the CNC control, we have a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and angles that we can cut in any size pipe. When it comes to cutting plate, we have the capacity in our CNC oxyacetylene cutting tables to cut up to 4-inch thick plate and the room to cut an 8-foot by 20-foot sheet of metal. The second step in the manufacturing process after cutting the material is welding. All of our welders in both heads and column are certified ASME 8 and 9 and qualified in API welding. The CNC department is comprised of 4 horizontal mills and 6 CNC lathes. The 4 horizontal mills have a typical pallet size of 15 inches with a max of 25 by 25. The maximum turn diameter of these mills is 39 inches by 29 inches. The 6 CNC lathes, which we use to manufacture collets, couplings, and bowls, have a max capacity, turn capacity of 21 inches by 20 inches long, with our longest machine being 39 inches. The vertical boring mill center is comprised of 7 vertical boring mills. They range in size from 42-inch swing and a 29-inch max height to our maximum of 90-inch swing and a 73-inch max height. The vertical boring mills are used to machine heads, motor stands, and column pipe. Our horizontal column section is comprised of 10 manual lathes. The sizes range from a 12-inch max swing and 20-foot max length to our largest machine that has a 55-inch maximum swing and a 13-foot maximum length. The next step in the manufacturing process after the boring mills is the drilling. We have 4 vertical drilling mills with max heights of 6 foot and 7 foot. Due to the uniqueness of the products that we make, every hole in every product is hand laid out, marked, and drilled. In our quality control area and hydro testing facility, we have the capacity to hydrostatically test all of our products to 1600 psi. The psi is determined by the customer and the needs of the pump. In the case of witness hydro testing, we have the capacity to web stream live video feed of the hydrostatic test in case the customer does not have the needs or the means to travel to Lubbock to witness hydro. Our coating department is comprised of 5 painting booths, 2 used for powder, 3 used for liquid, and we have 2 ovens used for both heat stressing and powder curing. Our maximum size on our paint booth is 20 foot by 14 foot by 40 foot long, leaving us a large capacity for coating.
For over 12 years now, VTS has strived to meet the physical, the financial, and the spiritual well-being of our employees, with a heavy emphasis on this physical well-being. In 2000, VTS added a chiropractor to its staff. All of the VTS employees and their dependents are adjusted by our chiropractor at least 2 times a week.
What we've noticed with some of the benefits with the chiropractic program with the employees out there is that it's really helped them to be able to put out the best product. It's helped them to be the best people that they can be, because that's that basic principle of chiropractic, is that we're trying to help that body function in the greatest way that it possibly can. Lots of times we'll see that they don't miss as many days as they normally would. So there's just lots of benefits that come from our chiropractic programs to these guys.
This program has increased our productivity a great deal. We noticed from the very beginning that we had healthier, happier employees. In 2005, we added a nutritionist to our staff, and we began serving healthy, low insulin meals to our employees to maintain their blood sugar level. Once again, we saw a dramatic increase in our productivity, and we were amazed to find out that our accident rate reduced down to almost nothing when we began to maintain the blood sugar of each of our employees.
All of our meals are prepared by dietitians here at work. They are in control of the menu. For example, in the mornings we'll have fruit and bagels. Then we'll have maybe a cheeseburger or a chicken salad for lunch. And then in the afternoon, anything from cheese and crackers to more fruit and sometimes cookies and milk. If we have the milk and cookies in the afternoon, then we've had salad and fruit in the mornings. What we're doing right now is we're going to include an on-site doctor, so that if for any reason the employee feels sick or needs to see a doctor, he won't have to lose time at work, lose time in pay. He can come in, put his name down for an appointment, and when it's his time, he can shut his machine off, go straight over here to the doctor, which is in-house, see him, and then come back to work. This is open also for spouses and dependents. It will be free to them. They can come and see the doctor for any ailments, because not only the employee but the families are also included in our wellness program. The chiropractor and the workout is also open to all employees and dependents, and it's free for them.
Most recently, in the last year and a half, we have added a workout facility.
Each one of our employees starts his day out in our Eat Well, Think Well, Move Well program by working out. Every employee clocks in and goes to the workout room, and they're all given 45 minutes to exercise. We give a program called CrossFit that's available to all our employees, but there's not mandatory that they use that. What I ask for is that each employee at least does something. does some kind of exercise to benefit their health and wellness. At that same time, when they're done, there's a chiropractor next door that they go and get their adjustments straight there. After that, then they go into the locker room, change, and then head out to the shop and begin their day. 1 hour a week, each employee goes to the classroom, and we do trainings on anything from financial to quality to everyday life subjects. And each employee is given that hour in the Think Well program. Every day, each employee gets 2 breaks, 2 15-minute breaks, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and then a 30-minute lunch. All of that on the clock, and all of that free to each employee.
Well, I started here 7 years ago. When I first came, I was weighing 296 pounds. The food program they were on at that time, that alone, I lost 20 pounds. Then we incorporated the workouts. I lost another 10 pounds, maybe along with my workouts then. Well, as time went on, I was being able to walk through back and forth down the shop a little bit easier. Still sweating quite a bit, but still able to walk back and forth a little bit better. Then about 2 years ago, we started the actual CrossFit exercises. I started noticing my flexibility was a lot better. Then this about 4 months ago, I had the opportunity to go on a weight loss diet plan, and lo and behold, I lost 40 pounds. All of my exercises became easier. Doing my job on the floor as an inspector, I was able to get down, look into my parts a lot easier, get up from on the floor inspecting. I mean, everything about my job became a lot easier. I feel like that I can move better, I eat better, not only here but at home. My overall wellness, overall health has just been so much better. 5 years ago, I wouldn't have thought I'd be around another 20 years. Now I see no end till God gets ready to take me, which I'm hoping is a long time from now, but then again, that's just His calling. I was on 8 pills, 8 different blood pressure and cholesterol, kidney pills, up until about 3 months ago. Losing the weight, eating right, I take no more pills. I'm pill-free, drug-free. And I never thought that's possible. And I owe a whole lot of it for being educated and what I need to do to exercise, what I need to do to eat. And I can't say it enough. I'm glad for the opportunities I have here at VTS to do these things. On and on, endless benefits from getting healthy and staying healthy.
Our efforts through our Eat Well, Move Well, and Think Well program to develop a culture of quality, safety, and high productivity has had many great benefits for our employees. We're finding that they make better husbands, fathers, wives, and family members through this program. By addressing the overall well-being of our employees, not only are we able to provide you with a higher quality product, but we're sending a higher quality individual into the community to benefit others.
For more information about VTS and our products, contact us at 806-743-5555 or on the web at vtspumps.com.